Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing this mesh partition. So I do want to thank the company for actually gifting this to me. And so essentially how this works is that it's a kind of felted gate in which it attaches to both sides. And this can be used as a partition that grabs onto one side of the wall, while also blockading kids, pets, animals, etc. So it's really easy to install. I have the black version. It comes with all the hardware that you need. Now, this does need to be installed into the wall, okay? So this is one of the drawbacks. So if you're in an apartment, I would recommend not using this. But if you're in a permanent residence, such as you bought a home and you want something to kind of blockade your kids or animals, this would definitely do the trick. So I really like the black material of it. I love how it's retractable and it rolls up. In addition to that, this is my second one installing. And because I was initially planning to use this on my stairs, it's actually quite long for my stairs. This could actually stretch out to, I believe, about 98 inches. So it's about 86 inches as far as the width of this screen goes. So definitely check it out for yourself. Just make sure that the studs that you install are used correctly, but just because you kind of stretching this in and out is going to make it so that you need the studs to stay onto the wall. But I've had no problems with it whatsoever.